Every time I'm in the street, I hear man down. Where you from?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy One Killer Scat back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Thank y'all for tuning in to Red Key TV. I am so excited because we have installed these lights on this car. My last couple videos have been about them, so this is probably going to be one of the last ones of me specifically talking about these lights. I kind of wanted to go into some of the features and stuff down that line of like what you can do with these lights and how good they actually look. I am so in love with these lights, like crazily in love with them. They are monumental. They change the look of this car so much. So that's basically what this video is about. I used to see them all the time online. It wasn't for sure if I was going to buy them or not. I really wanted them. At first, I didn't like them. I thought it was too much. And then I kept seeing them online, and nobody had them. And if you know me, you know I'm a big fan of doing stuff that nobody does. So of course, people have done them now, and they are getting a little bit more common. But because of the price tag of building them all the way out, I think they're like $2,700 built all the way out. You start throwing tax on that, you're close to $3,000. Now, I did get mine for under that because they shot me some discounts for shopping and being immediately ready to buy. So I got mine for right at 27 with the tax. But if I hadn't, with the discount that they gave me and then the tax, it probably would have been about $3,000 for these fully built all the way out. Demon eyes, color changing lights, flow series, Blue Ghost controller, all of that added into it. So I absolutely love it. And then, you know, I got lights everywhere, and I still got more lights in the back to put on. Like, I have so much stuff still ready to get installed. It's ridiculous. I don't know. Let's see if we can get down here. I got more LEDs in here that I can install anywhere. I have the sequential turn signals. There's that front clip that goes with it, and then the actual fog lights for that sequential turn signal that goes up there. I have that on standby to put in. I actually got an extra set. I'll probably be selling it on Facebook Marketplace. I'll shoot a video about it and why you should buy it from where I bought it versus, I don't really want to say the site's name, but there's a site that a lot of people shop and get their wide body kits from, and they're selling it for 3 times what I paid for it. They're selling, I think it's for like $350 or something like that, almost $400. It's up there, and I paid $90 for those, and it's the same exact thing. It's not even like it's a different quality, a different brand. It's the same exact thing that they're selling. They're just marking it up crazy because most people don't know to look around. I looked around to find them, and I found them on 2 different places for about $100, and I bought both of them. I have two, so I'll probably be selling an extra set just because I can. But I'll shoot that in a different video at another time. But we went out to the park yesterday. We got some footage of the car, so I'm going to do some B-roll, and then we'll get into what this car does, man. Let's get it. This thing is stupid bright. These lights have so much light output. I wanted to bring it to a road. As you can see, the street lights aren't on there. Back here, it's a dead end. I'm in my neighborhood. I got no lights here. I'm gonna park up there in a little bit. She's got some crazy light output. Just for contrast, mind you, And it's way darker. It's like 10 something at night right now. It's way darker than the camera is allowing you to see. That's just the regular light output. And then you can see what you can see with the high beams. That's crazy. See that sign where you see half of it? That's a good, I don't know. I can't even give you distances like that. Just know it's far. And then it lights up everything. I'm loving these lights. Okay. I am absolutely in love with these lights and their features. So nice. The nighttime presence is going to be completely different because of this. Like I said, I have the controller connected to be able to cut on directly when the car cuts on at nighttime. My lights will cut on. Where I tapped it in at the DRL switch, the DRLs only cut on when that sensor goes dark. That's when they will automatically cut on. And of course, that sensor and that DRL feature happens when you hit your unlock and lock button. So with the turn signals, they will cut on as well. So I believe the turn signals it'll cut on as well. And then the DRL feature is when it's actually dark outside. So in the daytime, if I wanted to run my lights automatically the way they're set up, I'd have to turn the knob inside of the car or just cover that sensor, but it'd be easier to just turn the knob. So I do like the fact that at nighttime, I don't have to cut on my lights and I got them preset to be able to go to whatever feature that I would like to ride in without having to worry about the cop stopping me, which is going to be amber for the grills and the headlights, and then my underglow is going to be red. So every night when I pull out, even if I don't touch the controller, that's what the car is going to light up and look like. So I'll show you in a second. I still would have to cut the demon eyes on, and I would still have to cut the SRT on, but everything else I wouldn't have to touch. The car now, and when I would crank my car up, this is what it would do. Or I could ride with just the DRLs. So there's a couple things I could do. I could ride all day with just the DRLs like this. This is how it'd be with the actual light. And then it's cutoff feature. But the underglow and the DRLs all know to cut on. Underglow, DRLs, grill, it's all going to cut on when the car cuts on. And I just like that feature. I like the way it rainbow roads out and rainbow roads in. Just looks good. All right, so we got turn signals. Didn't hook my grill up to the turn signal. Just wanted the underglow and the headlights. I like that feature, how it like fades back in after the turn signal wire gets cut off. Does this sequential turn signal, then it fades out. Well, sequential's back and it fades in technically. Hadn't really paid that any attention until now. Some of the cool features of this car, man, adding these lights to the car. It really is like different. And then once again, I love the fact that they gave me a remote. So sitting inside of the car, I can just flip them to whatever I want, whatever different colors. Only thing I got to control on the app separately now is that SRT. I can use the remote control. I can tell it to start playing patterns and different things that I like it. And there's a couple different type of patterns that you can make happen. So, I really, really like this thing. I like it a lot. I am a big fan of these lights. All right, man. As y'all can see in the video, everything that the car does. Once again, I absolutely love these lights. So I don't even want to go on and on and on stretching this video out, man. If y'all like this, make sure y'all like my videos. Let's push the algorithm to show it to more people. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I very much appreciate it. You know, all YouTubers, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Until next time, I'm out.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear let me down.